Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that. Next game we're going to play is a game called Directors. So we have our actors step up. This game, the actors going to play a scene, and I'm going to be a director. And I'm going to come in and give them some suggestions to spice it up a bit. So we can get a suggestion of a occupation.
Electrician.
DJ.
Plumber.
Veterinarian.
Damn.
There, Fluffy, you'll be okay.
Why did you have to overfeed him, Tommy?
He kept barking. I thought it meant he was hungry.
A veterinarian!
Open the glass door. Thank you.
Whoa! Will he be okay?
Wait, I don't even know what it is anymore. It's like, good. It's jiggly. Why do you feed them?
All right. That was I want Alright? I want Alright? That's what I want. So make it like a horror film. And you have a puppy mask on. Yes, a puppy mask. Like, yes. I don't know. Figure it out. All right. Action.
What are we gonna do, Fluffy? There's so much food in the house.
Somebody call for an exterminator. Don't listen.
Leave us alone! Leave us alone!
My mic is worse than my fart.
All right. Come. That was the cheesiest thing. It's like, I need some crackers to eat the rest of that. All right. Okay. Maybe that wasn't. Okay. Let's try. Got it. I want interpretive dance. All right. I want your body to express the scene. You don't know how to dance? Well, here. Let me give you a lesson. Figure it out.
Did you overfeed him, Tommy?
I didn't know.
All right. I think we're getting there. We have most of the pieces, but here's the one missing, the one to put it all together. Okay, try it like, don't poke. Okay, what if a piece falls out? Then we have to go back and do it all over again, all right? Okay, let's try. Got it, okay. I want you all to do it as if it were a film noir scene. But I want you also to incorporate all the things that we just did. Right? Okay, so remember, big puzzle, we're almost there. Do it.
Fluffy, been together for so long.
Tommy overfed the dog last night.
Someone's at the door.
Somebody call for an exterminator.
It's time to bury Fluffy.
Very fluffy.
We have to let him go.
I knew from the sound of their voices something was up. What was this? Was this really a dog or a bomb? Was it a dog or a bomb?